Hi guys, I'm Nina and today is a very special episode because today I'm going to try body art almost the very first time in my life, and I'm going to paint on a body of one of my very close friends, Dasha! Meet Dasha, guys! Hi Nina, hi guys! And Dasha is pregnant, as you can see, and yeah, I'm going to paint on her belly. So Dasha, tell us, who is it going to be, a girl or a boy?
It's a girl.
It's a girl, guys, so let's start! So what comes to the materials? This is what I'm going to use today. This is just a body paint kit. I don't know how to call it. I just bought it online and I've never used it before, but it looks very good and I'm happy about that. This one is by Revolution. I bought it quite some time ago, and if you follow my Instagram, I hope you do. Oh, you probably can see everything in the mirror here. Well, if you follow my Instagram, you know that I was using this one to paint myself blue when I was turning myself into the corpse bride. And this one it was also bought online, and this is a water-based face and body painting kit, and I use it also to make my makeup more interesting. And that's kind of it. And of course we're going to use brushes and sponges. I think they will be very helpful. And this young lady who is smiling all the time is Bridget. Hi Bridget, will you come here? Will you come here, Bridget? She doesn't want to come, but whatever. Well, we're going to paint an eye on Dasha's belly because I love painting eyes and because Dasha didn't mind. And I'm going to pinch it, and I'm going to zoom in on her belly, and we will just start. Bridget. Meow. Okay. Okay, so first thing that I will do, I will draw the outlines of the eye, and the eye is kind of supposed to be like this, like really big. And then I will fill it in with white color. I hope you can see everything here, and as you can see, nothing goes well from the first time almost, and I took some wet naps so I could erase. So right now I'll take blue color and I will fill in the pupil, and I will fill in the white of the eye using white color, of course. This one is pretty greasy, but I might take another one. That's it! only half an hour to do it. And now let's move to the iris. So right now we filled in the white of the eye and the iris, and right now I'm going to like shade around, like this is supposed to be an upper lid, and I'm just going to shade here and give some depth to the iris and maybe some structure to the iris. So now I decided to go like down here because I need to like work my way like here, and I'm going to give the white of the eye some veins, some red veins, and I'm going to do something about the tear duct. I really don't know yet what exactly I'm going to do and how it's going to look in the end, but right now I'm really satisfied with the results. And what about you? Do you like it? You can't see her face, but she says yes, right? Yes. So let's continue.
And let's check Pinterest and see what others do with their bellies, and it seems like there are a lot of different cool paintings on pregnant bellies, and honestly I like most of them. Some of them are really sweet, and oh my god, Halloween. You can really choose whatever you like. It's awesome.
So guys, right now I'm just blending. So right now I'm blending the paint, and one important thing that I didn't think about is that I'm using my fingers to do basically everything, and I didn't think about it, I didn't expect it because I took a lot of sponges and brushes, but it turned out that it's a lot easier and faster to use your hand. And basically everything I'm doing is making like this even surface, even color, and it's pretty actually easy, and it also takes a long time because the area is pretty big. But if it was like small, I think it would be easier even to use brushes. But right now I'm using my fingers, and we're getting closer to the end. Right now I'm working around the tear duct, and then I'm going to shade this. And I'm going to draw some lashes using a brush and this water-based thing. So enjoy watching it! Okay guys, so this is what I did. I think it looks awesome and very like original and interesting. I think it looks a lot better other than this like, you know, like boring Kinder Surprise paintings on belly button, I wanted to say, lol, on just bellies. And some people would say it looks a little bit creepy, but we kind of like it. I like it. Do you like it?
Yes.
She likes it. And that's the most important, right? I hope you really enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe and leave a like and leave a comment with your opinion about this, because it was just an amazing experiment for both of us. And right now we're going to take some pictures and we might even show you them here. Or you can visit my Instagram or TikTok or any other social platform and see more there. See you soon, guys. Bye.